Hey Diecast lovers, it's Marcus and time for pack hunting. Today we go to find some new matchbox. So stay tuned and let's have a look what we can find. Alright, so this new set, new case for matchbox for probably. Yeah. So let's have a look what we can find here today. Wow. To be honest, I like this one. Really nice. What do we find else? Yeah, this is old one. Nothing else. Nothing more, but I really like this Mercedes. Okay, let's have a look what they left. Got some cars as well here, some jeeps. Okay, some 5-packs as well. Classic Aston Martin. It looks really nice as well. And of course, but not too many, the Hot Wheels. So not too bad, but this one I take one because it's really, they looks really nice. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave like and subscribe and see you next video. Take care guys. Let it go.